Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra on Monday slammed BJP leader Devendra Fadnavis for hoarding remdesivir injections, which is a life-saving drug for corona patients. PM Narendra Modi reviewed the COVID-19 situation in his parliamentary constituency Varanasi via video conferencing on Sunday and directed officials to ramp up efforts to tackle the surge in cases and provide all possible assistance to the ill at the earliest. Air Chief Marshal R.K.S. Bhadauria, Chief of the Air Staff, on Monday embarked on a 5-day visit to France on an invitation from Jean-Philippe Levingue, Chief of Staff. The Indian Air Force took to Twitter to announce Bhadauria's visit to France. Gujarat Chief Minister Vijay Rupani on Sunday denied COVID deaths were being undercounted and assured people every death is being investigated and recorded by the Death Audit Committee. A ward boy tried to rape a 50-year-old COVID patient twice in a private hospital in Gwalior on Saturday while she was gasping for breath. The game of one-upmanship between the MVA government and the opposition over remdesivir supply reached its nadir Saturday when a director of pharma company that had been approached by a BJP to provide the antiviral drug was picked up for questioning by the police, and leaders of the opposition in the legislature rushed to the BKC police station to rescue him. A 58-year-old brigadier rank army officer allegedly committed suicide by jumping before a moving train at the Pune railway station on Sunday, railway police said. Home Minister Amit Shah said those participating in Kumbh and Ramzan festivities has failed to follow the protocol laid down, forwarding of the threat of coronavirus, adding that while the pace of the pandemic's current spread was certainly problematic, the government had taken the right decision to ensure victory in the second fight against COVID-19. Delhi Chandni Chowk market will remain shut till April 25th in view of the exponential rise in COVID-19 cases, the Traders Association announced on Sunday. Rashmi Rocket, Loop Lapeta and Sabash Mittu. What next for Taapsee Pannu? It will be a thriller whose storyline has thrilled Taapsee so much that she took hardly any time to give her nod of approval. The story goes that Taapsee had seen Ajay Bal's Section 375 and the two chatted over the phone. After that, almost promised each other that they will work together in the near future.